I'm about to do something called.
What are you talking about?
Let it drop. Let it drop. A little bit more. Let it drop. There we go. Let it drop.
Ugh. I love you.
Let it drop a little more. Let it drop a little more. A little more. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go.
Oh, I think I'm drooling a little bit.
Right now? Yeah. That's the spot, okay. Alright, we getting there. Now, took a while. That's where the pain is. It's all good. Push your butt down. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Alright, relax. Let's have you switch.
Ooh, this side is, yeah.
This is the side.
Ooh.
This is the side.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
Alright guys, today we have Sweets. Sweets, what's going on?
Everything. I need you to fix me. My neck, my lower back, my hips. I get migraines a lot, but I heard you work magic, so.
Let's see what we can do.
Okay.
I'm the magic man. So, Sweets, where can they find you? Social media, anything like that?
MZ Sweetness 305 on Instagram. You can find me.
All right. If you guys are looking for Sweets, that's what you find us. If you want to be found. All right. Where's the pain at?
It's both sides, but more this one.
More this one?
Yeah.
All right. So what we're gonna start with, we're gonna start with some Graston on that trap. So Graston is just gonna be like some scraping. You mind, let's see if we can move this hair out the way just a little bit. There we go. She got these chains. Sweets iced out. How's this feel?
Feels good.
How long you had this pain for, Sweets?
Years.
Years?
Yeah.
And you ain't never come in?
I know, well, you know, I just found out about you. Some of my coworkers have been coming to you, and I've seen you like all over social media. So I was like, today's the day.
Today's the day? Couldn't take it no more, huh?
I couldn't.
Got sick and tired of being sick and tired. Good. We got you, Sweets.
Yeah, don't be scared to get in there.
You say you get migraines?
Yeah, I honestly will have migraines like
do you
20 days out of the month.
20 days?
Yes, I get them so frequently.
Do you have an aura?
Do I what?
You get an aura with the
Yeah,
migraine?
I do.
Oh, so you get them bad.
Yeah, it's like I need like pitch black.
Dang. Let me get some more CBD cream. Have you been to a chiropractor before?
I have, but like I really didn't have a great experience with the ones I went to.
Yeah?
So.
Where, well, you don't gotta answer. Was it in Miami?
It was, one of them was in Miramar, and then another one was in Miami. Like I had a car accident, and then I was going through insurance, and the place they sent me to was like, eh.
You should have came to us for the car accident.
Well, I didn't know about you then.
I guess that's my fault. I'm gonna do better.
It's all good.
We know, you know now.
I know now, yeah.
You know now. How we doing so far?
Doing good. I'm going to work after this, so let's see.
All right, we ain't gonna make you too red then.
No, it's all good. It's dark in there anyway.
All right, how's that feel so far?
It's good.
Has it loosened up at all?
It has slightly loosened up a bit.
Slightly,
yeah.
not much. All right. Have you ever been adjusted when you went to those other chiropractors?
Yeah. And I just feel like they didn't really do it very well.
All right, cool. It's not for everybody. Your neck is tight. Jesus.
I do a lot of headstands.
That's not good for the migraine. Good for business though. I'll stop me in business forever. Cause you just let your head drop for me. Let it drop. Let it drop. A little bit more. Let it drop. There we go. Let it drop.
Ugh. I love you. Oh, that feels so good.
Yeah.
Wow. Whew. All right. Let's keep going.
Keep it going.
Keep it going.
We'll keep it going. All right. Let your head drop. Let your head drop. Let it drop a little more. Let it drop a little more. A little more. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go.
Ooh, I think I'm drooling a little bit.
How you feeling?
Really good. Wow. Oh, yeah, it feels so good. Maybe you could see how my lower back gonna do now.
Let's see. We'll see. We will see. Let's get you on your stomach face now. Mind taking your shoes off?
Ooh, this stuff. Oh, okay.
It's a process, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Slide down for me just a little bit. Let's see if we can get you up and running. Let your arms drop to the ground. This right here is flexion distraction. Just relax. Back pain bad. We might want to get the Shockwave for that. What you think? But you can't tell nobody now.
What are you talking about?
We're about to do something called Shockwave.
What are you talking about? Oh, okay.
Just joking. Don't worry. Put your finger where the pain is for me. One finger. Right there.
It's like, I don't know. It's.
Does it go down your leg?
Yeah.
All right. So just try to hold this for me. Right here. No.
I'm sorry.
Just right there. Just right there. Yeah. Cool. So this is a Shockwave is an electrical pulse. Let me know when I get to an area that's really tender. Right there?
Yeah, it's like,
Oh, right there?
yeah. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh my God.
So let me turn it up. How we looking?
I got pain everywhere, like you don't understand. Like this is heaven.
Right there?
Yeah.
That's the spot, okay. All right, we getting there.
Ooh.
Now, took a while.
Bang, bang.
That's where the pain is.
Ooh. Shit, yeah, sorry.
It's all good.
I just like my hip flexors, so that bothers me a lot.
Do you stretch it all?
I do every day.
Yeah. Do you, so it could be, it might not be a flexibility thing. It might be a weakness thing.
Yeah.
So we might need to get you on some weights, man.
I got a weight room in my complex. I just never use it.
You never use it.
Yeah. I guess I should.
Yeah, the weights.
But I mean, I climb up and down a 30-foot pole every day, so it's just like that's a lot of.
I mean,
working out.
that's more than I could do, but but still, you gotta essentially like it's like professional acrobatics, but you're not doing any training for it
Right.
outside of the actual acrobatics, you know. All right. Good. All right, let me have you lay on your side. Face me. Did that help at all?
A little bit. I don't know. It's been spazzing out since last week.
Hug yourself. Hug yourself. There you go. Bend this leg. Straighten this leg, I'm sorry. There you go. Just relax, huh? Just relax, just relax.
Oh. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good, y'all.
Slide down for me just a little bit. So the table's just gonna drop, okay, like this. Ready? Okay. Come on up. Let me have you lay on your back.
Okay.
Let me see if we can traction it out a little bit. It's this one, right?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, that did something. Whatever it was great.
Come on up.
Oh. Oh. Whew, okay.
Standing up. Let's see where we at. You got up quicker.
Huh?
You got up quicker.
Yeah, I did.
That's good.
Oh, I don't know what you just did when you pulled my leg, but ooh.
Just relax, honey. You good?
Oh. Oh.
How we doing?
Doing great.
On your back. Slide down. Slide down this way. There we go. Hug yourself. There you go. Good. All right. Just relax.
Oh. Oh.
Good. Let me have you grab your knees. Does that hurt?
Ooh, yeah, my lower back.
Is it tight or does it hurt?
It's like a real tightness.
Tightness. Let's have you lift your butt up. There you go. Push your butt down. Come on. All right, relax. Relax, relax. Push your butt down. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. All right, relax. One more time. All right, relax. Good. Put your feet right here. Put your feet right here. All right. I want you to try to bring your hips up.
My hips up. Oh,
Yeah, there you go. Does that hurt?
it's tight.
It's tight?
Yeah, like a little
And
sore.
up and down. And down. Let's see if you can try to do it with one leg. One leg out. There you go. I try to bring your hip up. Let's have you switch.
Ooh,
This
this
is the
side
side.
is, yeah.
This is the side.
Ooh.
This is the side. This is the side.
It is definitely the side.
Right. Yeah. See, yeah. So, is it tender over here?
Yeah, very.
So you might have a hip issue.
Yeah, I think I do. 1000%.
So we was working on
Oh.
right now. So we was working on the low back, but the
Yeah.
problem is the hip.
Yeah, when I get massages, I get that massaged a lot
So I
too.
think you probably need to, we're gonna do some hip strengthening exercises.
Oh, that
hurts.
feels, no, it hurts, but it feels good. It's a good hurt.
All right, let's see if we can push him just a little bit. All right, I want you to push your leg out. There you go. Open and close it. Now back in. There you go.
Shit.
Back in.
Oh.
Back out. Back in. Back out. I want to show you some hip exercises. You probably got a hip mobility issue. Come on over here. So essentially, one is called 90-90s. You're going to be like this, and you're gonna come over like so.
Oh, oh,
Wow.
oh, doctor. Ooh.
You got a hip issue, man. We're gonna get you right. Then I want you to come up and come over.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Then we're gonna go back and over.
Oh.
And up and over. Up and over.
Oh, this left side super tight too.
Yeah, but you see how you got down to the ground now?
Yeah.
Up and over. One more time. Up and over. Now what I want you to do, you see, I want you to watch me. I want you to kind of turn a little bit to try to stretch this hip flexor right now.
Oh.
I want you to try to put that knee in the front on the ground. There you go.
Oh, oh my gosh. Yeah.
And you're gonna have some old. You're gonna have some
I really
old.
feel it now. Yeah.
You got some old hips. If you don't get this mobility in check, man. You're gonna be in your 20s. They're gonna be trying to get you a hip replacement. Let's come back over.
I'm in my 30s already.
Oh man.
30s and 2 kids.
All right. So what you're gonna do? Just turn slightly like this. You should feel a stretch in there. But then after that, I want you to kind of lean forward,
Oh.
and you should feel a stretch underneath your
Yeah.
butt.
I feel it going up my neck too.
All right. Let's have you stand on up, and let's see how you feel. I'll pull you up.
Oh.
How you feel?
I feel better than when I came in here. Definitely feel better.
How's the back? How's the hip? See how you moving?
I think that it needs some work, but I think that you really did do something because I feel like more mobility than I did when I came in here, and my back's not really like spasming right now.
That's
so,
good.
Yeah,
All right,
but I gotta come back. For
Gotta
another
come back.
session.
Gotta come back.
You gotta come back too. Now that I'm here, you better come back.
All right, good. Thank you.